So you can see guys how my friends got ready and well dressed in formals, whereas look at me, not even having an in-shirt or formal shoes, just a formal shirt and trousers. That's it. But it's fine, I guess, right, bro? That's what the difference between fine and good is there, right, bro? Raunak is still getting ready. What happened, bro? It's fine, right? Let's go. So we are ready for Project Morpheus hackathon, guys. Going. It's It's about 9:30 right now. We are determined to win this hackathon. Yeah, bro. Show some respect. Let's go. What's up, man? Oh, man. No, bro. Hackathon is happening, guys. So, guys, 4 hours into the hackathon, right? Approximately 4 hours into the hackathon, and we have come out for the mess break. We are going to mess right now to eat the lunch, and then we are back to building the project. So for today's mess we have, what is this called, bro? Shev bhaji, dal, mixed veg curry and roti. How is it, bro? You don't like it? Devam, what about you? You don't know? It's good for you. It's not good for him. Raunak and Yash also didn't like it, right? For me it's fine. Fine, guys. The mess is good enough. Video.
Varsha, till now, how is your experience in hackathon?
Bit tiring, exciting for the final stage where the prize distribution is happening and whether we are going to win or not. But till then, the process is going on. We are all doing what we have to do. I'm preparing for the PPT right now to explain if they ask me some questions about the project. We have completed doing the front end, back end. Nothing is happening till now. But yeah, we completed our part. We are waiting for the back end, and after that we'll be finishing the hackathon by tomorrow 11 a.m. The prize distribution is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow, right? So that's it, guys. We'll meet you if there is anything in the night. So we came back to our room to fresh up a bit, guys, me and Yash, and now we are going back to the hackathon place where the hackathon is happening. This is the dinner we got, day 2 dinner, guys. Roti, chana, special rice and aloo. Let's go. Chetan is eating. How is it, bro? Seems good. Let's taste it. Yeah. You have tasted it, how is it? Amazing. Yeah, let's go. We got special dinner, guys. Fine. It's funny moments, man. Raunak. No, you're recording my reaction. Bro, Raunak, it's 12 o'clock right now. Yeah. As a team leader, yes, you also, we have finished and we are off way through the hackathon. How are you feeling?
Sleepy.
Sleepy. Show your eyes to the viewers, bro. Raunak eyes have turned red. Bro, my eyes have also turned red, bro. What the hell, bro? Bro, what is happening?
I think we should take breaks.
Side effects of 24 hours hackathon. We have just completed halfway and this is our situation. Don't know what will be our situation after 24 hours, right? When we complete the hackathon. And that's not it. After completing, we have to do the prototype and then there will be PPT presentation and then prize distribution. Lot of things. Where else can we see students in a single room coding 12 a.m. in the morning continuously without sleep, rest? Unless it's a hackathon, right? Yeah. Crazy, man. You have to experience this at least once, guys. 24 hours hackathon is a crazy thing.
What about 48 hours?
48 hours. I think you can sleep in that, bro. You will sleep, of course. 48 hours will be a bit better than 24 hours, I would say. Because in 24 hours, less time, less rest. But at least in 48 hours, you think you will have 48 hours and you will sleep at least 12 hours, right?
Yes, 12 hours.
Exactly. But now we have just 24 hours. Exactly. Girls are provided with beds to have rest, guys, in here. But boys are not considered. Why, bro, Yash?
Just because we are not humans, we are animals.
You're animals, crazy, bro. Not like that, bro. Girls need some other personal problems. That's why we are also building a project on women's safety and harassment, guys.
We are nighters.
We are nighters.
Night owls.
Nighters. Whatever, guys. Crazy things. Crazy shit is happening. So after being here halfway through the hackathon, lot of mixed reactions are there from us, guys. मुझे college भेज दो, मुझे college जाना है भाई. Something with the same reaction. The facilities that we are getting there, for the first time we are thinking we should go back to college because the facilities, the sleep, the peacefulness, right, bro?
Yeah, bro.
We are missing. For the first time I'm missing my college.
भाई मेरा बेड ही इतना बढ़िया है वहाँ पे. पूरे हॉस्टल में सबसे महंगा बेड मेरा ही है.
Let's go. You bought Wakefit bed or what?
Sleep well.
Sleep well. Okay.
Memory foam.
Nice. Wow. I'll come and sleep on your bed someday.
Yes, bro. Invited anytime. Just come.
1:30 in the night, 18 degrees right now, guys. Yeah, I am shivering right now, huh? 14? Yeah. Really? 14? Bro, are you kidding me? Bro, it's 14 degrees here. Guys, I'm shivering. 1:30 right now. No sleep, 24 hours hackathon. We are going to hostel right now. Thinking of sleeping maybe 2 or 3 hours. 100 hostel. But we will probably sleep for 8 hours. 2 of our teammates are over there. Don't know what they will be doing all these hours without us. Let's sleep, guys. Very cool, very tired, irritated, exhausted. 6 o'clock early in the morning. Thought of taking 2 or 3 hours of rest, but slept for 4 hours. Still sleepy. It's a torture, guys, for us. The 24 hours hackathon is a torture. Cold weather, no sleep, no proper food. Oh my god, guys. No proper clothes also to wear to withstand and wear this cold. Going to the hackathon right now again. 2 of our roommates are still there. They have pleaded us, requested us to come so that they can also come to hostel and sleep, but we are asleep and they are also now asleep in the room. It's very hard, guys. Hackathon is completed at 11 o'clock, guys. It's 11:50 right now. I am going through the project to explain about the PPT. The presentations will start from 12:30 onwards. So I'm just looking over all the code and workflow diagrams and how to present it so that the presentation also contains 10% of the marks. You can see everybody over here.
I repeat, Team Meow, please come forward.
Guys, look at the other team members' names. What is this? Poha, jalebi, peanut butter. What else? What the hell are these names, guys? Lazy loopers, unexpected outputs.
AIDs.
AIDs. Okay, error 404. God's plan. Algorithm edits. The hell? 404 not founders. Chocolate milkshake is also there.
Yeah.
Chocolate milkshake. Crazy teams are there, guys. So our presentation is here, guys. Team Atlas. We are going to give our presentation. So how was the presentation, guys? Super. All good? Better than what expected. I mean, it's sort of a stage where we are not able to do all the features, but I think it's fine right now, where we are able to explain most of the features. Good work, guys. So let's hope for the result, guys. Are you excited for the result, guys? Yes. Let's go. Huh? When is the prize distribution? 8 or 9. So let's go, guys. How is it? A bit salty.
Over here so that we can get started with the bites. Okay, कोई श्रुति?
Accidentally ordered 10 aloo parota
Okay.
instead of
Crowd
5.
में कोई श्रुति है यार? And we are just ready to get everything started. So that, come on, run it.
So it's 7:30 right now, guys. We are going from our hostel room to prize distribution. We after the hackathon ended, we had our lunch, aloo parota, saw some little bike show happening over there, came back to our room, slept, and now we are going back again. Finally, the hackathon day that we are here for, movement is here, guys. School inside a college, an institute. What is happening, bro? We need this to be more, guys. How's the feeling, bro? No words. So the hackathon officially over. Unfortunately, we didn't win anything. We reached the finals. We are here. Experienced a traumatic, tiring, exhausting, and sleepless experience of this hackathon. Fortunately, we are unable to win, guys. But we have built a good project, right?
Yeah, that will continue.
Guys, finally at the verge and the end of the hackathon. How is your feeling, guys? We are unable to... Feeling good?
Yeah,
The
experience
fuck,
something.
bro? Feeling good. It's Devon feels good in all situations. When the mess food is not good, when the hostels are not good, is anyway saying very good, guys. That is the positive mentality. But anyway, it's fine. Heading back to our college from Pune. Platform 6 side is great, platform 1 side is decades old, I think. This is the best meal that you will have out of the marvel, right?
The rest of it, try looks. No, it will be good. Some crazy good.
Huh?
Blue, green. Deadlock reached. It's never ending process.
Oh shit. Both of them are playing from off now.
After
after 33 hours of journey, again didn't feel like anything. We are here in Kottayam railway station, heading to college. Bro, Raunak, finally trip ended.
Will you go today?
Huh?
You go today?
Where? Bro, it's feeling like airport, bro. Back to hostel at 7:20, guys. Thinking whether to go to classes today or not. Of the tiring, exhausting journey. Right now, I'm going to sleep. If I wake up before the classes start, I may go, or else I'm thinking of skipping today's classes. I also have a lot of other works to do. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends, and stay tuned for more videos.